The journey from the serene farm to the modern facility is handled with the utmost care, prioritizing animal comfort.
Maintaining the perfect environment inside the smokehouse requires constant vigilance and precise digital control, ensuring optimal curing conditions.
then I told him, you can't rush perfection like this sausage.
Oh, honey, you are too much. This is absolutely delicious, though. Cheers, everyone.
Have you tried the Tuscan fennel? It's excellent.
Oh, that sounds wonderful. We'll take 4 of those, please. This here is the loin, incredibly tender. But if you're looking for something with a bit more flavor, the shoulder is excellent for slow roasting.
Wow, these look amazing.
I know, I can't wait to try one.
Step right up, folks. Freshest sausages in town. Try the spicy chorizo today.
I'll take 2 pounds, please.
Just a quick checkup here. Everything seems right on track.
The real-time metrics confirm optimal conditions, we're maintaining the target temperature, and the new sensors show a 15% improvement in air circulation.
The marbling here seems inconsistent with the specification sheet.
Yes, but the pH levels are exactly where we want them according to the rapid test.
Here is your premium harvest pork delivery. Enjoy.
Thank you so much. And then he actually tried to order the vegetarian option at the steakhouse.
No way, really.
All right, everyone, to good food and great friends. Cheers.
I suggest the 2018 Burgundy with the pork. Its earthy undertones and vibrant acidity are a superb match.
That sounds perfect. Thank you.
To us, my love. Cheers to many more.
And this is our award-winning dry rubbed ribs.
Ah, the texture is perfect. We'll take a rack. The key to this dish is the quality of the pork, as you can see listed right here.
The secret to a perfect sear is getting your pan nice and hot. And this premium cut cooks up perfectly every time.
The key here is the quality of the cut. We sear it hot and fast to get this beautiful crust, then we let it rest before slicing.
Our commitment to ethical pork farming means prioritizing transparency and environmental stewardship. This ensures both high quality and sustainability.
Our commitment to quality and sustainability, harmonizing nature and industry for a prosperous future.